We'll guide you through how to play Curse Walking, a modern zombie apocalypse with your friends in Minecraft. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So in order to play Curse Walking with your friends, which is a Minecraft mod pack, there's two ways to do it. The first one would be through a hosting platform. So if we go to our browser and then we go to a hosting platform, for example, Apex Hosting, which is actually the sponsor of this video, I have to say a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. They offer lag-free customizable servers ready in just minutes. They offer servers ranging from basic to advanced and features like a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backup. Mod packs are easier to install with Apex Hosting compared to anything else. They work flawlessly, their customer support works flawlessly. Me and my friends use Apex Hosting all the time, and so should you guys. Check them out in the description of this video or the pinned comment and host your own adventure. Now that we're at Apex Hosting, their website looks great, so it's pretty easy to navigate. Firstly, we have to purchase a hosting server to host our mod pack on. It's actually really simple to do that. We just scroll down a little bit, pick our game. It's already Minecraft pre-selected, so then we can choose our package varying between RAMs, and as you can see, they've said the recommended is 6 GB, so I'm just going to go for that. Click on order. From here we can select a few things, for example the configuration of our server. This is the newest version of Minecraft. This is what the server is being made for. We can change the server version right now, but we can also do it later, but I'll just quickly show you guys doing it right now. So we click on this drop down, and then from here we can write in the name of any mod pack, for example Cursed Walking. As soon as the server is configured, it will load up as Cursed Walking. We can then choose a server location which best fits our ping. So when we click on this drop down, you can test your ping to each server. You will have the best experience playing with the lowest latency. For example, if I test my ping to Singapore, click on this test ping button, it will tell me my ping. So for example, I wanted a Singapore server, I would select that. You can choose whether you want a dedicated IP or not, and then you click on I have read and agreed to the terms of service after you've done reading them, of course, which you can read them by pressing on this link. And just a reminder, if you select the server version, we can change it later on again. So I could just select something random here like Minecraft Paper, and then when we have the server we can always tweak its settings, which I'll show you later. Same goes for the server location. Then we can press checkout, fill in our details, and then the server will be ours, and we will be redirected directly to the server page. And as you can see, our server right now is offline. It's called GuideRealm. What we need to do is open it up and simply scroll down until we see the game file. Right now I'm running Fabric 120.1. We need to click on this drop down, and from the search bar here select Cursed Walking. There it is. Just click on Cursed Walking, and then we can change the version. Just click on change version and then create new world. You could use an existing world, but I'm just going to create a new one. And then they're saying whether we want to restart our server for it to take effect or you want to do it later. I'm just going to do it right now. Okay, so now our Cursed Walking server has been made. It's on the version 120.1. After we've got the server set up, the next step is actually to open up a new tab and go to curseforge.com. We need to get the CurseForge app, and we will do that in order to have the mod downloaded and ready on our PC. So when we try to join the Apex hosting server, we have all the relevant files already downloaded on our PC, and the most efficient way of doing that is through the CurseForge app. And then from this website, we can get the CurseForge app, which is this button on the top right hand side. Download the standalone, and then it will start downloading. This is the CurseForge Windows installer. Run this and install CurseForge. Once CurseForge has been installed and you have logged in, this will be the main menu. It should automatically detect your Minecraft, or you might have to link your Microsoft Store account to your CurseForge account, which when you click on Minecraft, they'll automatically tell you to do so. However, if your Minecraft still isn't detected, then you can click on this plus button to add a game, scan the computer for Minecraft, or manually add it. But once you have Minecraft added, just click on it, and as you can see, I already have 2 mods installed, including Cursed Walking. But how I installed Cursed Walking is actually pretty simple. All we have to do is come over here to browse, and then we can search for Cursed Walking. Once you've searched for Cursed Walking, just click it open, and instead of this play button, it will say install. So just go on and install it. It will take a couple of minutes, and then they will appear in your My Mod Pack section. Now that we have Cursed Walking in our My Mod Pack section, just click it open, and then just click on the play button. This will automatically open up your Minecraft launcher. However, if it doesn't, we need to come back to CurseForge, open up the settings, go to Minecraft until the use Mojang launcher option is checked. Anyways, now that our Minecraft launcher is loaded up, as we can see, Curse Walking is already loaded up, and all we need to do is hit play. Once we load it in, we need to head into multiplayer, add a new server, name it whatever we want, for example, GuideRealm. And then for the server address, we actually need to go back to our Apex hosting server in our browser, copy the IP address / port, place it in the server address, and press done. There we go, our server's online with a huge capacity. Just click it twice and then the server will start running. And there we go, we're officially using the Curse Walking mod pack with our Apex hosting server. This has worked flawlessly. Now, if you did not want to use a hosting platform and wanted to host it locally on our own computer, we just need to head back to CurseForge. Once we're back in CurseForge, we need to do an additional step. We need to download the server pack for Curse Walking. So once you're on this page, next to this kill instance, or sometimes it will say play if your game is not loaded, you will have the download server pack button. Just click on it, choose where you want to download it, and press save. There it is, Curse Walking. Then I'll simply just drag it out to the desktop, and now we have it here. Right click it, click on extract here, and press OK. Then your Curse Walking files will be extracted onto your desktop. Open them up, and simply press on start_server.bat. So just double click on it and then the server will start running. However, if you're clicking on this start server.bat file and nothing happens, that's probably because your Java is not working properly. So just go onto your browser, open up a new window and type in java.com. Come to java.com and download Java for desktops. And then hit the blue button again, download Java for desktops. It will then start downloading, and once it's successfully downloaded, just click on it and install Java. It's pretty simple, they'll guide you throughout. Once Java's downloaded, we probably need to get the JDK, the Java Development Kit as well. So for that, just click on this backspace button on the top left hand side and go back to java.com, the main page. From here, we can see free Java Development Kit is available for download. So just click on Developer Downloads, and then we should probably get the JDK 21 because we've tried it, we've tested it, and it works just fine. So click on JDK 21, click on the OS you want it for. I want it for Windows, and then click on x64 installer. Once it's downloaded, just click on the installer and then everything should happen smoothly. They will guide you through the steps, and then you will have JDK 21 as well. Once you have both these things, then we can try hitting on the server_.bat again, and then it should open up and work properly. We'll eventually need to agree to the EULA, so go ahead and do that. You can visit this website that they've listed to see the terms of service of Mojang, and if you do agree, I have personally read it, and I do agree, so I can just go ahead and write I agree and press enter, and then the server will start running. Once the server is up and running, we need to add a server, name it whatever we want, for example, local server, and then in the server address, we simply need to write localhost. And then we can press done and enter the game. And as you can see, our Curse Walking server is working just fine. It has its cons, for example, your PC has to stay on at all times for the server to be online. And in order for your friends to join your server, not only do you have to give out your IP address, but you also have to set up port forwarding. And that's why choosing a server host is a good option, because the server always stays online. Anyways, that's been it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.